Wow, those days a lot of people, almost like anyone, discuss ChatGPT things, artificial intelligence, how crazy. I don't want to hear it anymore. Like, well, it's going to replace human beings. Yeah, it will. It will replace some part of the people that don't have their own mind. What I mean by that is, if you only think that I want to get a job for certain artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, Kali EB, Lensa, I try all of it. DALI E, those type of instruments or tools will replace you because you are creating something like a meaningless work, or you just create some contents that boss wanted you to do. You don't have your own will. Oh, I just want to get the money, so you just to do something like that. It's so easy to find it on internet. Knowledge right now is useless. How if you have your own creativities, you build your own contents, you have on your figures, you have something that is unique, you won't replace by artificial intelligence. All you need to do is become yourself. Create something that meaningful. Think about how you can help the civilization. And a lot of people don't have this habit that, oh, I wanted to output something. They always like input, get a lot of the info, get a lot of things from media, from games, music. They input a lot of nonsense. If they wanted to create value, they need to first of all think about a framework. Think about something like big pictures. Think of something that, oh, how can I help this human civilization to make progress? So you use, oh, I can use AI, I can use ChatGPT to maybe help me to do this something more effective. So like I wanted to write an BP, let ChatGPT help me to do something. Then I can focus on building it. Yeah, you can see, oh, right now even like ChatGPT can build this app for you. So then, if they build it for you, they think ahead of it. What's the next? How can it stimulate you, motivate you to do something more? How you can even think of like a big picture. How can you build something like help human to fly? Everyone has a flight machine, so they can take it to directly go to work. They don't need to take metro. They don't need to buy a car. No more. So they can, for example, you can think of this. How can that help you? So if you think like this, you don't need to worry about that. Oh, ChatGPT will replace you. It will help you. It will be your, accelerator to think about that way, so that you can use it to help you. So yeah, you can use it to build arts. Ask artificial intelligence to draw 1,000 pictures for you. You pick top on top the best pictures, the best paintings from those artificial intelligence. So right now you can be like, oh, I am a good art viewer. I can pick the best paintings from this artificial intelligence. So you right now in a position where you can be a selector, right? You can be a better selector. So in that case, you are on the top of this artificial intelligence. You are standing on the shoulder of ChatGPT or something useful. You don't need to worry about the tech evolution. Every time that people discuss it, there's a potential opportunity there. And still, you need to sometimes right now you think that this is like a crisis for you. If you not change anything, if you don't use it to build something for better, it might be a risk for you. So think about it. Don't worry about too much. How to improve yourself to build better things, not just for works, not just for earning money. in that different mindset, you will see opportunities. That is all I wanted to tell you. Just come back to Shanghai City. I have a lot of work to do, a lot of things to do right now. That's all I wanted to share you. I hope this video inspired you a little bit. I see you on the next one. Peace out.